What's up guys, it's Susie Bullock from HeyGrillHey.com, and if you're watching this video, that means we already have something in common. We both love good barbecue, and that is perfect because our whole goal here at Hey Grill Hey is to help you make better barbecue so you can feed the people you love and become a backyard barbecue hero. The barbecue hero recipe that you need today are these candied jalapenos, also called cowboy candy. Let's do it. These candied jalapenos are the perfect combination of sweet and spicy. They're also called cowboy candy, and they are honestly the perfect complement to anything barbecue. If you can smoke it, it will taste better if you serve it with candied jalapenos. Something to be aware of with jalapenos is that they're not all the same spice level. Usually the grocery store ones are fairly mild, while the ones that you grow at home in your backyard or from seeds are a lot spicier. I say embrace the heat. That little kiss of spice is a perfect complement to the sweetness in these candied jalapenos. This recipe only takes 25 minutes, 5 minutes of prep time and 20 minutes of cook time. This makes about 16 servings, but honestly, these things are so addicting, you'll still never have enough. Let's get started. We start with 10 to 12 fresh jalapenos, a cup and a half of water, a cup of white sugar, half a cup of vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of celery seeds. First thing that we're gonna do is slice all of our jalapenos. We're just doing rings, so take off the stem and then do fairly thin slices all the way down. So a lot of people are sensitive to the oils in jalapenos. It can actually make their hands itch or burn. If you are one of those people, I recommend picking up some of these latex or nitrile gloves. They just protect the oil from your hands and then they don't burn. If you are brave and you wanna go gloveless, just make sure you wash your hands really, really well after you cut all of these jalapenos, because you don't want any of that spicy pepper juice in your eyes or up your nose. Trust me, because I have done it and it is painful. Jalapenos are sliced. Now the rest of the ingredients. In a medium saucepan, you're going to combine your water, your sugar, your vinegar, your celery seeds, and your salt. Add in all of those sliced jalapenos. Then we're gonna get that on the stove. All right, we're putting these on the stove top, high heat. Give it a stir, and we wanna bring these up to a rolling boil. There we go. Once your jalapenos come up to a boil, drop the heat down to medium-low, let them simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes of simmering, your jalapenos will darken in color and you'll see the cut edges start to curl in and wrinkle a little bit. That's how you know they're ready. Turn off the heat, let them cool a little bit on the stove, and then we're gonna transfer them to a glass jar. I recommend using one either with a snap-on lid or a screw-on lid. Once you transfer the jalapenos over, you wanna pour in the liquid because this stuff is liquid gold. You can use it to supplement flavor in your barbecue sauces. You can glaze it on your ribs. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit spicy. It's good for everything, so don't throw out the pickled jalapeno liquid. You can eat these right now, but I actually recommend sticking them in the fridge and letting them sit for at least 24 hours. Those jalapenos will reabsorb that sugary, acidic brine, and all the flavors will have time to marinate together. The jalapenos have plumped back up. They've absorbed a lot of that sugary brine, and they're gonna be so, so good on all things barbecue.
Well, hello.
Hi, I made a new batch of cowboy candy.
Okay, is that what's been burning my face today?
Yes it has. Will you try one? I gotta be honest, you guys, making something like this to go along with your barbecue will elevate your pitmaster status to backyard barbecue hero.
They're so sweet.
They're sweet and spicy.
Yeah.
It's a good balance. If
Like
you guys,
me.
if you guys make this one at home, leave a comment and let us know what you thought and share it on social media using the hashtag HeyGrillHey. That way we can see it and we can celebrate your backyard barbecue hero status with you.
Do I look like it's burning my mouth?
Is it?
A little bit.
Is it a good burn?
Yeah.
Okay,
perfect.
great.